Spotify just made your music app way better. Hate Smart Shuffle? It's gone. Want the full scoop on these game-changing updates? Stick with GadInsider. What's good, music lovers? Welcome back to GadInsider. Spotify, with its 268 million users, just rolled out major updates to make the app more user-friendly. From ditching Smart Shuffle to a slicker interface, let's dive into what's new. The star of this update, you can now permanently disable Smart Shuffle. Launched in 2023 to mix new songs into your playlists, it was called the worst ever feature by tons of users. Now head to playback settings, flip the toggle, and enjoy your playlists your way. Spotify's also revamped the interface for cleaner navigation and faster access to playlists and podcasts. It's rolling out globally for iOS and Android now. Why is this a big deal? Disabling Smart Shuffle gives you total control. No more random songs messing up your vibe. The smoother UI means less scrolling and more jamming. Whether you're curating the perfect workout playlist or chilling with podcasts, these tweaks make Spotify feel personal. Fans on X are stoked, with many saying it's the update they've been begging for. With 268 million monthly users, Spotify's listening to feedback to keep you hooked. Just want these changes? Update your Spotify app to the latest version on iOS or Android. Check settings, then playback to turn off Smart Shuffle. If you don't see the update yet, hang tight, it's rolling out fast. Follow GadInsider for tips and tricks to max out your Spotify experience. That's the beat on Spotify's new update, GadInsider fam. Are you loving the Smart Shuffle kill switch? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and share this video to keep the tech vibes flowing. Stay tuned and we'll catch you next time.